बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, उम्मीद है कि आप सभी खैर वाफियत से होंगे। प्यारे बच्चों, क्लास 11 सब्जेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है इंडेक्स नंबर्स। यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आर इंडेक्स नंबर्स एंड व्हाट इज़ देयर इम्पोर्टेंस एंड व्हाट इज़ देयर यूज़ इन आवर डेली लाइफ। Dear students, index number is a type of statistical device which is designed to measure the relative change in the level of phenomenon, variable or a group of variables with respect to time, geographical location or other characteristics. The phenomenon or the variable among which the change is measured with respect to time and geographical location, that may be like the price of any commodity like wheat, rice, milk, or a group of commodities like consumer goods, producer goods, etc. It may be the measurement of change in national income of the country, per capita income, foreign exchange reserves, and so on. Yes, dear students, this is what index numbers mean. So we can say that index number, which acts as a tool of measurement in a group of variables with respect to time. So with the help of index numbers, we can measure the average change in such phenomena over a period of time or at different places. For example, suppose we want to study the general change in price level of consumer goods during a period of time. So dear students, these changes are not directly measurable as the price units of different commodities are expressed in different units. For example, the scale of measurement of price of wheat, rice, pulses are quoted in rupees per quintal. However, price of water is quoted in rupees per gallon. Price of milk, petrol, kerosene, etc. are quoted in rupees per liter. Price of cloth in rupees per meter, and so on. So dear students, again the price of some commodities may be increasing while those of other commodities may be decreasing over the time period under consideration. So dear students, again the rate of increase or decrease may be different for different commodities. Thus it is not possible to directly measure the change in prices and find the average rate of change. So dear students, index numbers enable us to arrive at a single representative figure which tells us about the average change in the price level of consumer goods. Thus index numbers are called specialized types of average. They are also called specialized type of rates, ratios, percentages, which give the general level of magnitude of a group of distinct but related variables in two or more situations. So dear students, we can say that like barometer, which are used in physics and chemistry to measure the atmospheric pressure. Index numbers are rightly called as economic barometers, which measure the pressure of economic and business behavior. So dear students, it was a brief introduction about index numbers. So in the next lecture we will study what do we mean by this is the types of index numbers, and what are the various rules to construct the index numbers, and what are other terms related with index numbers. So we will discuss that in another lecture. This was all about the introduction of index numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafz Nasir.